Another unboxing. Man. Dude.
What's in it?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Okay. Oh, look at this packaging, man. Professional. Okay. That.
Glow ship. What is this, straight off eBay or what?
Yeah, dude. Straight coolant temp gauge, because you know, the one in the car doesn't work and it's scary. So we're gonna slap this in today. Hopefully we get a good reading. And then we'll know, you know? We'll know. We'll just know. Dude, don't even worry about it. Lights up in 7 different colors.
Where the fuck are you gonna mount this thing?
Look at that. That's sick. Little hood.
Fucking tits, dude.
Holy shit. A lot more wiring to do on this one, but it doesn't look terrible, man.
How do you change the colors? Oh, I assume this little button. Screw.
Why is there so much shit in the box, dude?
Is there instructions?
Hope so.
Are we gonna read these?
Probably should, honestly. How does this even come out, man? Where's the instructions on how to take it out of the box? The green is power, and then you gotta ground it somewhere.
What about all this other shit?
That's for the colors, man. I would assume.
But where do all these wires go?
Honestly, couldn't tell you. Would you just look at that? Just look at it, dude. Look, it doesn't look very long.
Wow, how is this supposed to reach?
That's so stupid. Oh, fuck my life, man. How the hell would you ever... How is that gonna reach? Why would you fucking eBay, man? Fuck them. Oh, god damn it, man. Fucked again.
Okay, we're gonna have to take some of this fucking wiring. What doesn't look important, man? Okay, we're gonna take a pause here, try to figure this out, because, we know nothing.
Hello. We're back. Alright. So we're gonna make the ground real quick. Got the ingredientes here, you know. Some of this action.
Okay, enough with some of this action. Starting to piss me off.
I've said it like not at all today.
You said it 6 times.
Shut the fuck up, man. Say what I want, alright? Okay. Should we use some of this action, dude? Fucking let's get her going, eh?
Yeah, it's your thing, good.
Holy fart, bruh. That was my fucking hand.
That was so crunchy. There we go. Oh. You guys fucking see anything? Alright. Holy fuck, it's brighter than my goddamn future.
I was gonna ground this to the battery, eh?
Alright. Lefty tighty, righty lefty.
I had it right the first time and my hand switched it because old habits. I wasn't even paying attention. Just switched it, you know? You get circed there.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. Look it up.
Pretty sure you get circed when you're a baby.
No, they circ you when you're 18. It's so fun.
There's no way. You're not walking around with a cast on your cap at that party.
Dude, you are. What do you think? I'm not gonna run a fucking AEM coolant gauge,
Get a fucking deafy, bro.
Okay, we should have bought those $30 wire crimpers, man.
I have 6 pairs in my house. Okay, so now you ran this wire. Looking real nice, real tucked right across the engine at a 45.
Yeah.
Looking clean. This is, what wire is this?
This is the signal wire.
Yeah, the signal. You're so fucking cool. Your bald ass head. The dank. The dank. The dank. Nice cock. Nice cock.
Jesus Christ. That red wire looks so fire in the engine bay.
Nice cock.
Man, fuck, boy. We gotta wire it to the green wire.
The green wire. You know what they say about the green wire, Noah?
What do they say?
Nice cock.
Ha ha ha.
Wow, my car looks fucking fire, dude. Nice cock.
How's the lighting in this bitch, man?
Probably pretty overexposed. Doesn't look overexposed, but it seems that internal temp UI. What's going on now? Trying to ground the gauge?
Yeah, I hate this shit, dude.
Feeding some wires through. While the camera overheated, I've been practicing on my nice cock. Listen to this. Nice cock. Nice cock. Nice cock. Nice cock. Nice cock. I think I'm getting somewhere.
Yeah, 100%. This is like our first time wiring shit. This fucking sucks, man.
Nice cock.
Okay, so now we have the ground signal wire and then the actual ground for the gauge wired up. What the fuck is this bullshit about switched and unswitched, man?
Yeah, see? I'm fucking some dome ASMR right now. Wait, I'm gonna run my hand over, listen to the sound. I'm gonna brush the microphone against Noah's head. For the ASMR. Oh, I see a scalp, dude.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. And 10, you think?
Yeah. We
10?
got the switch source wired up to the 12 volt constant source unswitched, wired up to the audio fuse.
Yeah, just some sketchy shit, kind of not some sketchy shit, but
And then we got the 12 volt ignition source switched, wired up to the cigarette lighter. Oh! Man.
so there you go.
How do you change the color? Push the button.
I think the blue is pretty fire, dude.
Alright.
Okay, so now we gotta tuck all this wiring, clean up in here, and take my fucking bitch of a dog for a walk before we complete the coolant on this, I guess.
God damn.
Should I electrical tape all these wires together to make it look cleaner?
Sure. We should try to get a bleeder from Walk too.
Yeah,
Oh
see
my
if they
God.
have it.
Fuck, I'm surprised that worked.
Same. First time for the boys.
Yeah.
Why does it not go in good anymore? Is it backwards?
Yeah, well, there's that. It's probably because that thing's in the way.
What's going on? I was just putting the shit in backwards, or what's going on?
Yeah, that's the right one way. Mine sits exactly like that.
Whatever, you know what? It's not like I was gonna use that for anything anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna get the electrical tape. Dude, my fucking knees right on the... This is so stupid. Why the fuck do we have bushes right here, man?
The only positive thing that's come out of this is paying PSD.
The what?
Paying PSD.
Yeah, holy fuck.
I'm gonna have to transfer you. I'm gonna have to transfer you.
Yeah, no one fucking knows anything, I guess.
Oh, just guess. Okay, sick.
That was fucking dumb. Sick DIY loom, brah. At least we used butt connectors and didn't just fucking twist these together with electrical tape over top of them.
Yeah.
So there was some effort there.
A little bit.
Alright, dude, this is the moment of truth. Bleed it this time. See if the gauge actually works, dude. And then I think we can call it done with the cooling system. Holy shit. That's all I've been doing. That's the only reason this car's not getting driven. That and because it looks horrendous. What are you gonna do, you know?
Make it not look horrendous?
Yeah. New paint, dude. TBO bumper, side skirts, dude. Wheels, dude.
Stop giving away what all the videos you're in.
Okay, so Canadian Tire and Home Hardware didn't have a bleeder, man, so we're gonna make our own. And pretty much what the plan is we were using this funnel last time. It's the Perrier can bottle, I should say. It worked pretty decent. For some reason, it wasn't working this time. So you know, I'm gonna tighten her up with some electrical tape.
Make her taut.
She'll be fucking mint, dude.
Make her taut.
Please let this be the day where something goes right for the boys.
Our gauge turned on, I'd say that was pretty right.
That was a pretty right on moment, eh? I don't know how many rolls that was, but we'll see. Quick testicle fit. Oh, it's not even way too loose, dude. I think it's semi-mint. Jesus fuck.
Watch the funnel, hey?
Alright, brother. Crack this bitch, cause it...
You almost just tried to kazoo it.
What?
You're like, kazoo it? Was that you trying to start it? Yeah, the ground's pretty taut. Oh, it could be tighter.
Why can we not do anything right, dude? You better fucking go, man. So we're still waiting for the thermostat to open up. But look in here. You can see the gauge is starting to move. So she's working. She's right on. So we're just gonna bleed it out. And it should hopefully be good, eh? That took like half an hour. But got her going. Thermostat opened up at whatever it opens up at, and then it was just chilling at like 180, which is apparently fine. So yeah, we got her bled pretty good. See CX Racing was doing a pretty good job, you know?
You know, bad.
For just like sitting here, I guess. But the fuck, man, CX Racing not making good caps, eh? Fuck's up. What the hell's going on with this shit? Fire, dude. Stay tuned for next episode when we make a coolant overflow out of Monster Energy. Fuck. Okay, well, let's go for a rip and then see how she goes.
Alright. When he takes you for a ride in his car,
Yeah, right, just in case the battery dies, we're gonna go take this thing for a test drive, make sure everything's all mint. We got it fucking going now. It means I can actually drive it without having to worry about the mother bitch overheating. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what we're gonna do. We might
comment, like, subscribe.
Might be getting our shit from the fucking port for Tenoshi, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, right on. Look at the gauge. It goes boop boop. Alright.
Oh, she's fucking minked.
She minked, bud?
Yeah.
Fuck, hey, bud. Right on, right on. So she runs nice and cold. They got the old fucking CX Racing under the fucking hood. Got the old fucking glow shift shoved under the fucking radios there, boys. And she fucking goes. I don't know. Got some figuring out to do with the old NG poo there. She's kind of stalling me a little bit. I don't know if it's the timing's off or what's going on, but I think I'm just gonna fucking send it for now because I'm pretty over it, you know.
Yeah, no doubt, bud.
I think I'm gonna start fucking dailying it, you know. Hey, you're fucking right on, bud. Right on.
Fucking doubt, bud. Sounds fucking tits, dude.
Yeah, holy fuck. Brakes aren't working too good though. Holy shit, she's dipping low on idle, bud. Something's fucked. I don't know. The air filter's dirty as shit from when I was painting. But yeah, I don't know.
Maybe she's not getting enough airflows, eh, bud?
Let us know. Maybe it just needs a fucking turbo strapped onto the side.
Maybe
of her,
a fucking turbski, eh, bud?
Fucking stay tuned.
Yeah, bud.
As soon as we get her looking right, boys, there's fucking dead raccoons there, dude.
Are you serious?
Anyways, as I was saying there, bud. As soon as we get her looking real, you know, nice and get the paint fixed because it's looking real fucked.
Yeah, bud.
Do some fucking NG poo work. I got my. Stop talking like that. Holy fuck. I have the S13 block at Ben and Jason's. I think I'm gonna try and see if I can get it like overboard or whatever the fuck. And we'll do a forged bottom end and we'll slap a fucking SR turbo on the side of that bitch and plop her in. But apart from that, boys, we gotta address this idle drop bullshit. I don't know what's going on with that. Could be the alt, could be a vacuum leak somewhere I'm just gumping around with. Maybe the idle needs to be raised. Maybe it's the auto ECU. I don't fucking know. Comment below if you know. If you solve the issue, that's how you win the giveaway, dude. Adam's car's kind of doing it too. Hate chasing vacuum leaks.
I think it might be the auto ECU there, bud. Because
the old auto does that to you, bud.
Yeah, bud.
She'll fuck you when you're least expecting it, eh? Like this fuck. Look at this fuck, eh? He thought he was gonna go.
He was trying to fuck bud. Give us a like, give us a fucking comski, and fucking subscribe.
Give us a fucking subscribe, eh? Because I think we said fire like 4 times this video.
Yeah, we're really toning it down.
Gauge is looking real nice. You know, matches the old stereos there. Fuck yeah, bud.
Mint, bud.
Right the fuck onto that, eh?
No doubt.
What the fuck do I know, you know? Fuck
nothing
me, bud.
At all, eh?
Like, it only does it sometimes, man. I don't fucking know, you know? She needs to be tuned, eh?
She needs a tune ski.
We need to tune the fucking, you know, some of that shit, eh? Yeah, we've been rambling on for too long, boys, but it feels good to talk like this again, you know, our true selves, you know? It's been a fucking minute, I'd say.
No fucking doubt.
Any words? Inwards and outwards, boys. Catch you in the next one.